Time now for Futures in Focus. We're going to look at Bitcoin first, the cryptocurrency pairing a drop after reaching all-time highs from December 2017. Joining us, Scott Bauer, Prosper Trading Academy CEO. Two questions. Are you buying Bitcoin right now, and what is it moving with?
Those are great questions. So I think it's a difficult place right now in terms of just entering into a position, right? We saw this big rejection twice off of those all-time highs, which we hadn't seen since 2017, but it has stabilized quite a bit here. So to me, from a technical standpoint, kind of in the middle of no man's land here. I'd like to see this personally drop back down to around the 15.5 level as an entry. I think up here, again, it's kind of a crapshoot. But this is really different, Alex, than the last time that we were up at 20,000, 3 years ago.
Why is gold doing one thing and Bitcoin doing another?
Well, you have gold as a trade that for the longest time was the risk-off sort of trade because of the virus, especially over the last 9 months. And now that has really ebbed, at least there's optimism out there about some reopenings potentially. Gold has taken the brunt of that, so people have really taken money off the table. In fact, there's been a record number of outflows from gold ETFs over the last couple of months. So are people selling gold to buy Bitcoin? I don't know that is the case here, but the acceptance now of Bitcoin, which may be coming into mainstream. We've seen it from PayPal. We've seen it from Square. Recently, we just saw Guggenheim say that they're doing a $500 million allocation in one of their new funds towards cryptocurrencies. So there's been a big adoption of Bitcoin, and I think that you may see a little bit of rotation, though. You really just can't compare the gold to Bitcoin, what they really stand for.
Hey, Scott, real quick, like 30 seconds. Do you like copper with higher yields?
You know what? Copper's been a great play on reopening, especially out of Asia, and that's why we're seeing copper trade at pretty close to the highs it's been since January of 2017. And you may see people buying copper and selling gold in that play as well, and these higher yields certainly help that out.